Welcome back to our channel. Sorry, my son's still practicing. Background music. So question 30 is about what is major components. Okay, at the point X. Okay, look at the point X is the plateau here. So what happened there? It is weak ammonia, weak base, titrated with a strong acid. So we know it is a buffer solution, right? Buffer solution. So what is a buffer solution? You remember, okay, it's a basic buffer solution, not a acidic one. Okay, basic one. So it should be the weak base and it's salt. Okay, both exist. Okay, with quite an amount. Okay, at the salt. Okay, so look at the question. Apply this to our scenario. Okay, ammonia is the weak base, so ammonia is there. Okay, and then the salt is ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride is still there too. Okay, ammonium chloride. So ammonium ion and ammonium are there. So ammonia and ammonium CBC. Of course, you can think about it in another way. Okay, sure. So you can say, okay, the ammonia dissociate into ammonium ions and the hydroxide ion, and we add the strong acid, but not enough. So mostly this becomes H plus and Cl minus, and this H plus is mostly is neutralized with the hydroxide ion. So what's remaining is ammonia and ammonium chloride, right? So you can think about it this way. So it depends on whether you remember buffer solution. If you know, then you do it by the first principle. You can still do it. So in the exam, relax. I'm not a way to do the same question, okay? You can find a way. Just connect your knowledge with the question, okay? Because we are fantastic. See you for the next question.